In this video, we will be learning about the different types of fractions. So there are 5 types of fractions. Number 1, like fractions. Like fractions are those fractions having the same denominator. So here you can see 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 5 by 9, 7 by 9. In all these fractions, the denominator are same, that is 9. So they are termed as like fractions. Number 2, unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are the fractions having different denominators. As you can look at the examples given here, 5 by 9, 7 by 8, 11 by 19, 21 by 14. So all the denominators here are different. So they are termed as unlike fractions. Number 3, unit fraction. In unit fraction, numerator is always 1. So examples are 1 by 10, 1 by 15, 1 by 39, 139, 1 by 49, or take any fraction until and unless the numerator is 1, they are termed as unit fraction. Number 4, proper fraction. Proper fractions are the fractions in which numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 5 by 9. Here 5 is the numerator, 9 is the denominator, and you can see 5 is less than 9. Since numerator is less than the denominator, it is known as proper fraction. Similarly, 10 by 24 is also a proper fraction. Number 5, improper fractions. Improper fractions are the fractions in which numerator is either greater than the denominator or numerator is equal to the denominator. This sign is known as greater than equal to. So examples are 14 by 2. Here 14 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. So 14 is greater than 2. That means numerator is greater than the denominator. So 14 by 2 is an improper fraction. Similarly, 17 by 10 is also an improper fraction. Now look at this, 8 by 8. 8 by 8, so numerator is equal to the denominator. So in this case also, this is an improper fraction. Let us now move to exercise 4C. Number 1. Point out the proper and improper fractions from the following. So we know that proper fraction is the one where numerator is less than denominator, and improper fraction is one where numerator is either greater than the denominator or it is equal to the denominator. So if you look at number 1, it is 7 by 9. So 7 is less than 9. That means this is a proper fraction. So number 1 is a proper fraction. So I'm just writing all the proper fractions together and all the improper fractions together. So number 1, 7 by 9. Number 3, 18 by 25. Number 7, 56 by 57. And number 10, that is 100 by 101. They are all proper fractions because numerator is less than the denominator. And number 2, 16 by 11. Number 4, 10 by 10. Number 5, 37 by 23. Number 6, 21 by 8. Number 8, 137 by 105. And number 9, 2 by 1. They are improper fractions because numerator is greater than the denominator. And numerator is also equal to the denominator, as you can see in number 4. So in number 4, it is 10 by 10. So numerator is equal to the denominator. It will come under improper fractions. So number 2, convert each of the following mixed fractions into improper fractions. So here 8, 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. Anything written in this format is known as mixed fraction. We need to convert this into improper fraction. So first we have to take this integer, the whole number thing which is written here, and we have to multiply this with the denominator. First you multiply this with the denominator and add the numerator. Like I have done, 8 into 4 plus 3. So this will become our numerator part and the denominator will remain the same, that is 4. So 8 into 4 plus 3. You will get 8 fours are 32 plus 3 divided by 4. So 32 plus 3 is 35 by 4. So 35 by 4 is the improper fraction of 8 3 by 4. Now number 3, 10 7 by 9. So again we have to convert this into improper fraction. So 10 into 9 plus 7, the numerator, divided by 9. So 10 into 9 is 90, 90 plus 7 by 9. So 90 plus 7 is 97. So the answer is 97 by 9. Number 5, 9 7 by 16. Again 9 into 16 plus 7 divided by 16. So 9 into 16 is 144 plus 7 by 16. So if you solve this, you will get 151 by 16. Now let us move to question number 3. Convert each of the following improper fractions into a mixed fraction. So here we have to move from improper fraction to mixed fraction. So number 1 is 31 by 5. See, in order to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, you have to divide these two. You do the division, you show the division here. If you divide 31 by 5, you get 5 6 are 30 and 1 is the remainder. So you write this quotient here first. The 6 as a quotient, you have to write this here. And then you write this remainder in the numerator and the divisor in the denominator. So this will be 6 1 by 5. That is 6 1 by 5 will be the answer. Now number 3, 107 by 3. Again you divide this. So 3 3s are 9. 1 is the remainder and 7 will come down. So 3 5s are 15. So we get 17 minus 15, that is 2 as the remainder. So our mixed fraction will be 35 2 by 3. So this is the answer. Now number 5, 200 by 9. Again you divide these two, 200 by 9. 9 2s are 18. So 20 minus 18 is 2 and 0 will come down. So 9 2s are 18 again. So 20 minus 18 is 2. Now 2 is the remainder here. So the fraction will be 22 2 by 9. So 22 2 by 9 is the answer.